Start Vedic Maths series, lecture 2. Syllabus. So from this syllabus, I'm going to teach chapter 1, 2 simple techniques. In the previous video, I taught you one simple technique, and today I'm going to teach you the second simple technique, thus completing the chapter. So this technique 2 is the multiplication of 3-digit number with same number of nines. Over here, this is how we normally multiply 999 into 3-digit number. The technique we will be using here is how to multiply 999 into 3-digit number. 3-digit number, 3-digit nines into 3-digit number. So this method will take lots of time. In the Vedic method, if we do the Vedic method and use the Vedic method, it will take very less time. So let's see how the Vedic method is done. Let's take a as a variable and we put a condition on a. The condition is that a should be 3-digit number. How to multiply a into 99 using Vedic method? Using Vedic method. So let's put a variable that a equals to 234. So we can solve this multiplication of 234 into 999 using Vedic method by two parts. First part is that we should subtract 234 minus 1, that is 233. So we'll get the first part. Just we should subtract 1 from 234. 234 minus 1, and that's 233. So our first part is 233 over here, and the second part is 1000 minus 234. In the previous video, I taught you this simple technique only, how to subtract 1000 minus any digit, 1000, 100, 1000 or 10,000 with any number. So using that technique, Vedic technique, you can put that Vedic technique over here, 1000 minus 234 to get 766 very quickly. And after you get 766, this is the second part, 1000 minus 234. This is how you do this Vedic method, 233766. I'll repeat the technique how to do this. Here we have taken a as a variable, and a we put a condition on a that it's a 3-digit number. Now we are multiplying a into 999. So we put variable a 234 in a. 234. Now how to multiply 234 into 999? So the first part we'll get is a minus 1. So if we subtract 234 minus 1 or any other number that we are doing, 999 into 756. So in that 755. That would be the answer, would be the first part. Over here we should do 234 minus 1, 233, and the second part is 1000 minus 234. I'll give one more example on this. Take a as a variable, a should be 3-digit number. This is a condition, and how to do a into 999. Here we take a as 742. Here also two parts, and first part a minus 1. That's 742 minus 1. As over here also we did 234 minus 1, 233. Here also we'll do 742 minus 1. And in any problem, in 999 into anything, we should, first part would be that number a in minus 1. 742 minus 1, 741. And the second part is 1000 minus 742. That's 258. So 741, 258. Now how to do 1000 minus 742? In the previous lecture, I said that the last 0 should be taken as 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 7 is 2. 258. 741, 258. This is the answer we get. And this technique can be done very quickly than the before technique, before the before normal method. Let's see. So this technique has three methods. Here technique 2 with more number of nines. Before we did that 999 into 3-digit number. Now here we do 9999 into 342, 9999. Over here we put 0342 into 9999, or if you want we can also do 342 into 9999. Here what we should do is the first answer is 341. As the first, we should do the same technique as we had done over here. Here first part was 742 minus 1, as 742 if we are multiplying into 999. Same here, if we do 9999, here we should subtract 1 from 342. 342 minus 1, that's 341, and the next over here is 10,000, not 1000 minus 342. Why? Because we are multiplying this with 9999, not 999. This is the difference. This is the only difference between 342 into 9999 and 342 into 999. So here we'll do 10,000 minus 342, which is 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, and 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9, and this will become 0 as I said in previous lecture. 9658 is the second part and 341 is the first part, as 342 minus 1 is 341. So this is the third way, and this is different from the other two that I taught you till now. The multiplication of 3-digit number with less number of 9. So for example, if we are doing 587 into 99. So here it is how we do. 5 over here we put the first digit and then colon and the other two digits and a colon. And 587 over here we'll do 687 in the next row, and this is how we do the arrangement. Below 7 should be 6 and put a colon, as after 7 there's a colon, and 87. Now put a line, and this is how we solve. This is divided into 3 parts now, as we did 587 and 687. If there are other methods, see 5 one way, first part, this is second part of the question, this is third. Now let's see how to solve this. The first part, which is 5, we'll put it over here as 5 only. Here second part has 87 and 6. How to do this? 87 minus 6, 81. And the third part has just 87 and above. We will do over here 100 minus 87, which is 17. So the answer is 58117. I'll give you one more example, as I think you would not be able to understand like this. Here 169 into 99, here was 587 into 99. 169 into 99, we have done 169 and 269. Just as over here we have done 587, 687. That's how we should do. The first digit over here, the 100 place or the last place of each digit should be add plus 1, and we have to put it over there as 7, as in the 587. Last the 7 digit below it is 6, and in this arrangement only we should solve this problem. In this is another example, 169 and 269. In the same way, 1 colon 69 colon and below 9, the last digit of 169, 2 colon 69. Over here also there are 3 parts, and it should just be like this. One has, first part was 1, second part is 69 and 2, and third part has 69. How to solve this? The 1 will come down as 1, as over here also this only happened, and the previous problem only this happened. And the second part is 69 and 2. We will do 69 minus 2, which is 67, and the third one is 69, which will subtract it by 100. 100 minus 69 is 31, and the answer will become 16731. 1,67,731. So these are the three. This is technique 2. It has 3 ways. Now comes the example questions. You can pause the video here and solve these questions. First is 999 into 530. Second is 999 into 2038. And the third is 999 into 359. All the 3 ways. Now you can resume the video and see the answers. The answers are displayed on the screen. Now I will explain you for the first part. 999 into 530. In this, how did we do? First part is we should subtract 530 minus 1, which is 529, and we get the second part, 1000 minus 530. 1000 minus 530 is 470, which you can do on your notebook using the Vedic method 1. And if you want to watch that video, please watch that video for getting the Vedic Maths lecture 1 to get this. How to subtract 1000 minus any digit using Vedic method. 100,000 or 10,000 minus any number. So this is how we do the 999 into 2038. First is 2037 and 962. So please stay tuned for the series. Like, subscribe and share.